Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can connect this Jabra earbuds to your iPhone. So first of all, you have to find this panel with these three buttons, and we are going to use this one. We have to click and hold it until this indicator right here turns blue. So let's make it right now. Click and hold this button and take a look on the indicator. Right now the device is turned off. So click and hold one more time to turn it on. And there it is. As you can see, it's blinking. So we can simply go to the settings in our iPhone, go for the Bluetooth, and then tap on the switcher. As you can see, here we have our Jabra. So click on it once. And as you can see, right now we are successfully connected. That was very simple. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.